Dear students, welcome back to online class for honors first year students. This is LIRA NASREEN and today I will discuss on Sargassum from course Phycology. The genus Sargassum belongs to class Phaeophyceae. Class Phaeophyceae is also known as brown algae. They are a large group of multicellular algae, including many seaweeds located in colder water within the northern hemisphere. Most brown algae live in marine environment where they play an important role both as food and as a potential habitat. So, Sargassum are marine algae. The genus Sargassum is represented by about 150 species, out of which 16 species are found in this continent. It is found in temperate, subtropical and tropical regions of both northern and southern hemispheres. It is very common in Africa, South America, Australia, etc. In West Africa, a part of Atlantic Ocean becomes densely occupied by Sargassum, and the region is called as Sargasso-Sea. Sargassum filipendula, a free-floating large kelp found in the Sargasso Sea, was discovered by Columbus in 1492 as the ships were held fast by the seaweeds. Here you can see a vegetative structure of Sargassum. The plant body is diploid, that means its chromosome number is 2n, erect and branched thallus. The thallus is differentiated into a basal holdfast and an expanded leafy cylindrical main axis. The basal part, although it's not seen here, is called holdfast. The holdfast is discoid and serves the function of anchorage with the substratum. And the stem-like part is called stipe or main axis. The main axis is generally 10 to 50 centimeter in length. It is erect, flattened, cylindrical structure. The main axis bears many primary laterals or branches arranged spirally in a phyllotaxy of 2 to 5. Due to unlimited growth, the primary laterals are also called long shoots. The main axis and primary laterals bear flat expanded structure called secondary laterals or leaves or frond. The leaves are flat, simple structure with distinct midrib and dented serrate or entire margins with an acute apex. You can see the margin are serrated. Sometimes the leaves growing towards sunlight show many dots. You can see here many dots on both the surface. These dots are the osteoles, that is opening of the sterile conceptacles. The sterile conceptacles are also called cryptoplast or cryptostomata. On the main axis as well as on the primary laterals, the secondary laterals, that is the leaves, are replaced by many spherical, you see here, many spherical hollow bodies called air bladders. The air bladders help to float them in water. Besides, the axils of leaves develops long, much branched, here you can see, much branched, flattened and cylindrical structures called receptacles. These are the branched, flattened structures. The receptacles bears many fertile flask-shaped structures called conceptacles. The conceptacles bear sex organs. Now let's see internal structure of the thallus. It can be seen by TS of thallus, that is transverse section of thallus. In short, it is called TS. This is the transverse section of main axis. It is generally circular in outline and differentiated into three regions: outer merisstoderm and middle cortex and innermost medulla. The merisstoderm is made up of single layer of closely packed cells. You can see the cells are closely packed, no intercellular space between. The cells are meristomatic in nature, that means they can divide. The cells contain chromatophores and perform photosynthesis. This layer can store food materials. The cortex is situated next to merisstoderm and occupies major part of the axis. It consists of compactly arranged parenchyma cells of polygonal shape and rarely with intercellular space. You see here is no intercellular spaces. The cells are smaller in size than merisstoderm. Like outermost layer, this layer also stores food materials. And then comes the medulla. The medulla is the innermost layer, consists of narrow, thick-walled, elongated cells. This layer possibly helps in conduction, that is, they can translocate water and nutrients. Here you can see the TS of leaf. It is flat and differentiated into outer merisstoderm. This is called merisstoderm. Middle cortex. This region is cortex. And inner medulla, like the main axis. The medulla is round and present in the middle region on both surface of the leaf. This is outer surface, this is inner surface, and on the both surface of the leaf there are many sterile conceptacles, the cryptostomata or cryptoplasts. These are flask shaped. Here you can see the conceptacles. These are flask shaped with many sterile unbranched filaments. These filaments are sterile and unbranched. These are called the paraphyses. They develop from the base. The paraphysis protrudes out through the opening present on the outer side. This opening is called ostiole. The cells of the wall have many chromatophores. That's all for today, and thank you.